Hi everyone, welcome to Apple Tech page. Many Apple Watch users have been reporting that when they were trying to pair their watch with iPhone, it shows to finish pairing, your Apple Watch must be running with latest version of watchOS. If they check watchOS update availability, it says your software is up to date. In this video, I will show you how to get rid of this issue. Solution 1 is update your iPhone and restart your iPhone and watch. Make sure that your iPhone has charged more than 50% and connected to Wi-Fi. Then update your iPhone to latest version of iOS if available. Then restart your iPhone. To do this, tap on settings icon from the home screen. Scroll down and tap on general. Again scroll down and tap on shutdown. Now drag the slide to power off slider to right side, then wait for 30 seconds and turn it on back. To restart your Apple Watch, press and hold the side button until you see the power off slider, then drag it to turn off your watch. Wait for few seconds and turn on your watch. Leave the watch on the charger, then start the pairing process. Now your iPhone will download the latest version of watchOS. Solution 2 is reset network settings. This process deletes your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings. Make sure that you know your Wi-Fi passwords. First, go to Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Again scroll down and tap on Reset. Now tap on Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone. In the pop-up window, tap Reset Network Settings to confirm this process. Solution 3 is Enable and Disable Airplane Mode. Open Control Center on your both iPhone and watch, then enable Airplane Mode. Wait for few seconds and disable it on your both devices. Solution 4 is connect your iPhone to 2G Wi-Fi. Many iPhone users have said that connecting their iPhone to 2G Wi-Fi solves this issue. Solution 5 is restart your Wi-Fi router. First, unplug the Wi-Fi router from the power source, then wait for few seconds and plug back it. Solution 6 is factory reset your watch. First, go to Settings app on your watch, then tap on General and tap Reset. Now tap on Erase all content and settings and tap Erase all to confirm this process. Once you're done, start the pairing process. Solution 7 is delete the watch app and reinstall it. Delete the watch app on your iPhone. Next, restart your watch and iPhone, then re-download the watch app. Now pair your watch and it will update. Solution 8 is pair your watch with different iPhone. Find an older model iPhone that will be running with iOS 12 and pair your watch to this iPhone. Before pairing, it asks to upgrade the watchOS. iOS 13 didn't offer this option. Once you updated your watch, unpair the watch from the iOS 12 iPhone. Now pair your watch with your iPhone. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to Apple Tech page.